Hello, this is Nick Beaton with Tableau. Today I'm going to discuss some of the dashboards and analytics that we've developed for our financial services customers. These dashboards can serve as inspiration for your business as you try to understand the effect of COVID-19 on your operations. This first dashboard I'm going to showcase is understanding credit risk and how those risks can be evolving as COVID-19 spreads into a particular region. First, if you look at the top of the dashboard, we have a number of metrics that we can manipulate. These parameters can help us to better tune the risk ratio or change something like the quick ratio to understand different metrics about our business. Now, when we look at a dashboard like this, we can zoom into a particular region, perhaps the hardest hit here, like the New York tri-state area, and this map is designed with animations. So as we play this, we can see the spread of COVID-19 throughout the region. Now, as the virus spreads and the cases increase, I may be interested in a particular area. So I'll stop my animation here and I can use my, my mouse cursor to highlight over a region where we have a number of customers. Over on the right side of the dashboard, we can see the risk ratio associated with these customers and the number of accounts that may default in this region. Additionally, we can see the debt to income ratio. I'll take a larger grouping there. We can see the dashboard updates, and we can even use Einstein predictive analytics to help us better fine tune these results. Now, if I want to explore these further, I can select these details, launch into a more detailed dashboard, view all of the accounts that are associated with that region. We can get a number of metrics, including that risk score, and then we can even launch into the Salesforce web page, the Salesforce page for that particular customer. I'm going to switch here to a different view. Um, Many banks have reserve requirements. They need to have a certain amount of cash on hand. As people are nervous and rush the banks and try to withdraw additional cash, perhaps close out their accounts, that puts a bank into a risky situation, and it could cause regulatory fines. Now, this dashboard is designed to understand cash withdrawals over time, which we can see in the bars represented in the middle, and then some summary metrics across the top. Now, I may be interested in a region. Again, I'll go into that New York tri-state area, and I can highlight over the different branches and understand the withdrawals for that particular branch. Now, again, I may select an area, and we can see here in the red, there's actually a number of branches that are at risk of defaulting. I can select those branches and explore those further. One last dashboard here. The employee risk analysis. Employees are our most important assets, and it's going to be important for a financial services organization, perhaps a bank, to not only care for their employees, but make sure that their customers are serviced as well. Um, and banks are deemed essential, and people need access to banking branches. So we may be interested in tracking the spread of a virus, perhaps in an area like Texas. I'll go ahead here and play this animation, and we can see the spread of the virus throughout the region. We have, it looks like, 3 big office locations in that region. And I can pause this, take a look at the number of cases in a particular area, the trend of those over time. I can see that in this branch I have 4 employees over 50. That puts them at a higher level of risk. Um, and I can always click on it, explore that dashboard further. So this is a few quick examples to help you understand more about how financial services customers can use Tableau along with our Data Hub to analyze COVID-19.